Hey you guys, good to see you here on Grassroots Gardening as always. And I tell you what, you know you're getting old when you're excited about getting garden carts in the mail. But that's exactly what just came right here. So we're gonna do an unboxing video of these two very similar sitting garden carts that I got off Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below if you want to check them out. But I'm gonna throw these guys right up here in the back of the Kawasaki. We're gonna go grab some tools, get them put together, take them down to the garden. I bought one for me and one I think would be more suitable for Dad, but I'm really excited because my back hurts like crazy from bending over, weeding, pruning tomatoes, that type of stuff. Not open with knife. Well, this isn't really a knife, this is more of a multi-tool. One of my favorites that I've showed in videos in the past. I lost my other one though. I think what happened when I was doing the unboxing video of the power planter, I think my multi-tool got thrown away with the cardboard. Broke my heart, because for like a whole week now, I have been reaching down to grab my multi-tool, and it hasn't been there. But I just got this brand new one in the mail, so we are back in action. It even smells new. I smell those new tires down in there. Hopefully it's not going to be too hard to put together, because I hate putting stuff together, to tell you the absolute truth. Too many bad memories of staying up till 2 and 3 a.m. on Christmas Eve putting the kids' bicycles and toys and all that other mess together with these horrible instructions that they send. I'm going to be just very hopeful that this one won't be too bad. Stay. Last time, fell off. All right, let's see what all tools we're gonna need. Some kind of little basket. Guess this is gonna be our seat frame. Here's our destructions. Well, there's not that many parts, so that's encouraging. Let's see how quick we can get her put together. One thing I do like is they already went and put all the correct bearings and washers already on each little axle right here, so that's pretty handy, saves you a little bit of time. So then this just goes right up through there with your bottom bearing and a washer. Got to get it seated down in there. It kind of doesn't want to seat. Then you drop that bearing, then another big washer, and then your small washer, and then your nut. All right, so there aren't that many parts. However, there's zero freaking instructions on like what to do. They just show you nuts and bolts and how it goes, and I think we've got these on backwards. Okay, we're gonna have to finish this inside because the mosquitoes are out right now and they're driving me insane. Okay, this is much better in here. The mosquitoes are about to carry me off out there, y'all. Plus, I got my tools in here, got my DeWalt stuff. Gonna get this one put together and then maybe bring the next one in, or we might just wait until tomorrow because it's getting kind of late. I'm kind of hungry, so we might just put this one together, put the other one together tomorrow, take them down to the garden, you can try them out. Number one complete. And I gotta say, it wasn't horrible to put together, but I would definitely be willing to pay extra money for them just to ship it fully assembled and me just pull it out of the box and go. But pretty comfy little thing, man. I'm gonna go grab the other one and see if I can't throw it together. This one has the two different the long T handle as well as a short one. I think the shorter one probably would suit better so you don't hit your arm as you're spinning around in the garden, but let's go grab the other one. And finally, I've got cart number 2. But they shorted me the bolt that goes through the handle down there. I hate putting stuff together. Absolutely despise it. The second one wasn't near as bad as the first one, but this definitely is going to spill into tomorrow. We're going to take them down to the garden and try them out. I'm going to get a beer. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. We're going to get our hot rods loaded up into the back of the Jeep, and let's head down to the garden because I'm ready to put these things to work. Uh-oh, there's Trouble. Hey, Trouble.
Good morning.
How you fellas doing today?
Good day, good day.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Hey, Pop.
What's happening?
Man, I got us some hot rods right here.
What is hot rods?
Hot rods. I got us
yeah.
some garden carts. I put these things together last night, and I figured we'd give them a shot.
Oh my goodness, Linda's gonna love that.
My back was hurting so bad the other day from doing them tomatoes. I said we got to have us some garden carts. So I thought it'd be make a good video too, just to do a cart review.
They run off of gas or what?
Yeah, yeah, they run off gas. They're all foot power.
That's nice.
Yeah, I figured this one would be good for you right here because it's got the padded seat and kind of the little padding right here around the edge.
Yeah,
and then also it's got this handle right here which will help you stand up. And then you can take, let me grab the camera. You can take and adjust the seat right here just by spinning it. So if you need it to come up, you just spin the chair around, and you can raise the height of your chair. And then you can put all your
beer bottles.
You can put all your tools right here. Yeah, you can put your beer can right there. But I think I like this one the best. It's got a little basket. It also comes with a shorter handle that can go right there if this gets in the way. But yeah, I figured we'd give them a shot and try them out. You know, one thing I didn't do though is put any air. I forgot to put air in the tires, but they might be okay enough just to test out.
How heavy are they?
Not bad at all. I don't know, probably what you think, 15 pounds, something like that. They're not bad. I don't know. You want to race? You go on that side, I'll go on this side, and we'll race down the tomatoes. How about that? No, that'd be good right there. So I did find me a bolt. I had to go down to the shed because I got shorted a bolt. So I found me a bolt. Got a handle on here. You just flip this little thing right here. You can extend or put away the handle. But yeah, pretty cool little carts, man. I like them. Try yours out, Jesus. Give me an honest review. See if it's comfortable or not. Take a load off. See, then you can spin around this way. Yeah, you can spin around that way too. It's pretty comfortable though, isn't it?
Yes, I gotta try that.
Yeah, come try it out. That's your chariot there, Dad.
I have got to try that out.
Might have to get it a little bit closer to the tomatoes if you're actually going to work them, but
yeah, that's okay.
Yeah,
fine. Yeah. In fact, they need to be working and get these brown. Got some brown leaves on.
Yeah, we need to do a little pruning. I'm sure they probably got some suckers coming along too, but you probably, oh yeah, we got tomatoes coming on nice, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sure do. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, this is how we're gonna have to do it. So Jesus, you're just gonna have to pull Dad down each one. But if we put some air in the tires, you might be able to scoot yourself down. I don't know, this dirt's kind of soft, but if nothing else, at least you don't have to squat down and you can stand up and pull yourself down to the next one, because it's about time to go ahead and attach them. In fact, this one needs to go ahead and go through there. Can you bend that? Just bend this down just like so. There you go.
Yeah.
Just like that.
That'd be perfect.
Yeah.
That needs to be going in there.
And then you can raise that seat up too, you know, like I said, if you need to.
Oh yeah, turn around.
And then I feel like that handle will help you too, being able to stand up. It's a little flimsy. Check it out and see. See, it's a little flimsy, but I probably could tighten those bolts up. I didn't tighten them all the way up because I didn't want to lock.
You don't think you got that upside down?
No. I don't think so. You think it's supposed to come back closer to you?
Well, see, you can't pull it.
What you mean?
Well, if you have a tendency to want to pull down.
No. Well, that's how it's supposed to be put together. I followed the instructions to a T.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Hey, you know what you do need though? Instead of a T-pull handle, you need your umbrella, like that one over there, to keep the sun off of you.
Yeah.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it? But yeah, I like them, man. They're pretty cool. Let me try mine out. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and extend this on out.
Go on down and put some. Start with that one there, because you need to put them in the ring. Like that. Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah.
Jesus is he's a lot of help, isn't he?
Yeah, he's a whole lot.
Let's see. Yeah, ain't bad at all. That's right comfortable. Now yours is more comfortable because it's got the padding in it, but this ain't bad at all. Got your little basket you can put your tomatoes in, and let's see how easy it is. Yeah, so you can steer it pretty good, and then just take your feet and scoot right on down. I like these, man. These gonna come in super handy for doing the tomatoes.
Yeah.
And we've been pruning the clusters back to anywhere from 3 to 4 tomatoes, and they are looking really healthy. We only lost, what, 2 tomato plants, I think, to some type of fungus or bacterial wilt. They're all looking really nice. Look at that dark green. And we fertilized these not too long ago with the Harold's 3 to 4 month fertilizer, so they should feed for the next 3 months at least, with the temperatures and rain that we've been having. So that should
be good on up till the time they turn ripe then.
Oh yeah, and beyond. Yeah, and beyond. So
ooh, look at the other.
I know it. Looking great, buddy. Yeah, I need to bring the pruners around and get any leaves up that are touching the ground.
Do we have them? We don't have no pruners in our truck, do we?
I don't think you do. Yep, this one's, he didn't get pollinated correctly, Dad. So I would go ahead, let's go ahead and take him off, because we just want the real pretty fruit. But that one didn't get pollinated correctly, so it didn't seal all the way up. The rest of them are looking real nice.
Like Charlie the tuna.
Yeah.
We only want the best.
I only want the best. Rest of them we're gonna get rid of. And then I need to bring my tapener gun down here.
Yeah.
So that we can tape this one. We only got 1 ring on this guy for some reason. Maybe we got one down through there that has 3. But yeah, looking real good, man. But y'all, this ain't bad at all right here. So I'm on my little cart, the one without the padding on the seat. This little basket, kind of, you can remove it off the back. I can put my tapener in here, my rubbing alcohol. Then underneath me in this tote, little pan, I can put my pruners, whatever else I need, and I can just kind of scoot right on down the aisle. I do like that one better, the one that I got for Dad, because of that seat cushion. This one being an all metal seat, you know, if you get up for any amount of time like I just did, it gets super hot. So my butt's pretty warm right now. But it's still a comfortable one. I like them both. But I think for an extra like 10 bucks, I would go with that one over there, just for the padded seat. I like the handle a little bit better, and I like the little tool holder that goes around the back of the seat. It's just a little bit better built. It was harder to put together than this one, but for the most part, I think they're both pretty decent little wagon carts. But for an extra 10 bucks, why not go with that one? Yeah, that one's nice, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's pretty comfortable, huh?
Yeah, it is.
It might take a little bit of time, you know, with the fresh paint and me just putting it together to get it to steer a little bit better.
And no air in the tires.
And no air in the tires. But it is a really comfortable one. I was just saying, you know, I like that cushion too for extra couple dollars. That cushion gonna make all the difference in the world. All right, well, I'm gonna get to work pruning some of these suckers off right here. We got the sprinklers running on the corn in the background. And other than that, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Again, the links to the products will be in the description below. The more you know, the more you grow. We'll see you on the next video.